It's
Hey,
gonna
hey, baby.
go!
Is that what's supposed to do with it?
Yeah, it whistles.
Be them careful.
I think so.
Good trick. Let's see!
Look out,
Ah,
look.
stop it! Can I jump over it when it falls down?
No.
Can you see me? Your pants will go on fire. Can you see me? Yeah.
Yeah?
No, not.
That's scary. Is that it? No. That's it. That was cool.
Okay, next one.
Okay, these things.
Hi, Dad.
What's those?
Roman
These hold
candles?
them, right?
Right.
Dad, turn the light on.
Okay, where do I hold it?
Right here. This is a light here.
Dad, just turn those lights on.
Here is a light here.
Should I point it?
Just hold
That
it
one?
straight up.
No.
Let's put it away from you.
Well, like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Does it say to hold it there?
It says light here. It doesn't say to hold it. It
You're
says
supposed to put
do
it in
not
the sand.
hold.
We should read those and make sure you put them down.
Morning.
You're not holding
It says bury the tube.
Bury into halfway in sand or soil.
But we're gonna just hold it.
Hot shot.
I'm gonna take a risk.
Do not hold in hand. We're gonna hold in them anyway. Crazy Mexicans.
Except I'm a Mexican.
No, just stick it in the
I'm Italian.
What? Wait, what? What are you?
I'm Italian.
Oh.
Yeah, bring one of those over
So like spaghetti?
Yeah.
Dance for me, Victoria.
What?
Dance.
here. We can get that little, George, get that little pot plant and bring it over here.
Hurry up, I
That
want
little
it.
one.
It has flowers in it.
Do something. I can't pause this thing.
Nothing, so we're gonna hold it.
Where?
I don't know what you're doing.
We're gonna stick it in. Yeah, stick it in
I
on
can't
the
hold
side,
it.
on the side.
We're not
and
holding
stick
it.
on the
Can't hold
side,
it.
not that way. No, it's good to hold it.
Jordan, you're gonna light
Let's see
the.
what that one does first.
Okay, do that one.
Victoria,
Towards the center of the...
they're gonna light the plant on fire.
Oh, you're gonna light that plant on fire and then we can smoke marijuana together.
This.
Okay.
Hi, Mom. Dance. Do some booty shaking.
I better not.
Do some booty shaking.
Wait, Trina, look it.
Does that whistle or anything? Or?
Bullseye, Maurice. Oh, that sucked.
Oh, that didn't work.
Run away! Okay, anytime now.
No, it's not.
Yeah,
It's gonna go!
Going. It's going.
It's gonna blow.
Maybe you should cut it. Ah!
Oh, God. Go.
So we are shooting this from our backyard. Ah!
Oh, two came out.
Let's put those in our hands.
It's like a rocket.
Right there.
Is that it? This is it.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it.
I don't like you like